Okay, in this lecture we will cover the remaining part of home tab. We will cover styles, editing, and we will also write a letter, okay, using these tools. Okay, these styles, for example, if I write Microsoft Office and this is the title, and now the text is equal to RAND, rand, opening bracket, closing bracket, and enter. Okay, now I want to style this. Okay, and style is, for example, this is the style. You can choose any style, right? You see, this is the style, this style, you can choose any style. Then click on this arrow and you can have any other style. Okay, these are the styles. Then if we have we want to copy, okay, copy this and right click, copy, and I press enter for the second page. Okay, this is second page number 2. You see this, page 2 of 2. When I go here up, page 1 of 2, total 2, and this is the first page, this is the second page, right? I paste, control V, control and V. This is the second page. Okay, now if I find, for example, word A, okay, word A, or word U, okay, word U, I select it, I go to find. Okay, you see this, all the U, your U, YOU has been selected throughout all the document. You see, 2 pages, all 2 pages where U is written, that has been selected. Okay, so this is called find. If I want to replace this U word with, replace with, find what? U, find the word U and replace it with, for example, V. Okay, and there is a replace, it will replace one by one. Okay, and replace all means all locations where U is written. V will be written, replaced, U will be replaced with V, WE. Okay, replace all, and we match 50 replacements. Do you want to searching the beginning? Yes. Okay, and all done, we have 50 replacements. Now if you see the document, close it, and if you see the document, you see help V, this was your and V. Okay, so U has been replaced with V. Okay, where this is used, for example, if you are, for example, your some name, okay, some institute name, some department name, okay, or some word that is used frequently in the document, and the document is very large, for example 1000 pages, and you have to replace, you have to change that word to some other word. And if there are 1000 pages and there, for example, there are 3 times each page, then there are 3000 times you have to remove, delete, and write that word, replace that word. Or you can use replace. Replace will do in 3 seconds. Okay, in 3 seconds, 1 to 3 seconds, right? So this is the replace option, find and replace, and this will select all. This is the select option. Select all means select all, this selector, or there is a shortcut key, Control CTRL plus A. I will press Control and then press A. Okay, now I press A. Okay, this is the shortcut key of select all. Okay, now select all, I can delete it. I want to I have pressed delete button. I want to bring that information back. I will use Control plus Z. Now I want to delete using backspace. I will press backspace. Okay, to bring back I will do Z. Okay, now I delete it again. Okay, I cut it. Okay, using cut option, right, or delete option. Then there is an icon on the top, you see, this is the save icon, save, Control plus S, this is Control plus Z, this is undo. I will press undo. Okay, undo means this is undo. Okay, redo, this, redo, undo. Okay, so there are options. You can use Control Z or this icon. And remember, very important thing, you have to save. You have to press Control S, Control plus S, maybe after every minute. Okay, you should save your document. Okay, Control S, this is Control S. So I will choose, for example, desktop or docs or documents, and I will save it. Okay, now I press this arrow. This was about this these options. Now what I do, Control A and delete. Okay, I will write a letter. Okay, to, okay, to GTI first floor Sadar Rawalpindi. Okay, to, this is the to part, this is from part. Okay, from Nix Heather Road, Rawalpindi, right? This is from. Okay, date, should be here. Okay, and date is 10 2020, right? This is date, and I will write subject, your order has been processed. Okay, now dear customer, or dear customer name. Okay, tab, you ordered 4 laptops with the following specifications, right? I press up arrow, end key, end. I want to go to end, so I press end key, end. This is end. Now I press that left arrow, and I am here and I press S. This is specifications. Okay, now I want to write name, then I press tab, CPU, price. Okay, now name is core to duo. Okay, CPU, this is CPU, right? This is laptop, and laptop is, company is Dell, for example. Okay, Dell laptop, and I write core to duo, then price is 15,000. Now I have Dell laptop i5, i4, Dell laptop i4 with 2 GB RAM. Okay, now you see this is the problem. Now what should I do? I should do this. For example, I will press this tab, again down arrow, and I will press tab, and then I will write 25,000, and then this is, for example, Toshiba desktop. Okay, desktop, and this is CPU is, for example, Intel. Okay, Intel series, and this is 20,000. Okay, now I will use HP laptop i5 10 generation, 10 gen, right? And I will write 95,000. Okay, and here I should write rupees. Okay, this is rupees, in rupees, right? Price is in rupees. Okay, this you see this underline, you can remove it, or you can write this space bar. Okay, this is space bar. Now it's okay, right? Now RS, it is not recognizing RS, so I should write right click, and there is no option, ignore all. Okay, and whatever is written, this is underline, it will not be this header. Okay, the word is not recognizing this word. Okay, not in the dictionary of the software, right? So we can use this right click, ignore all, or add to dictionary, so that it will be included. If this word is we repeat this word many times in the documents, we can add it to dictionary, right? So if this header, if you see print, this header will not underline, this red underline will not be shown on printer. Okay, you see this print. Okay, let's see if I increase it to 100%. Okay, this is header. Okay, on the page this header or this underline will not be shown. Okay, this is for the for the software, for software version, soft version, not the hard version. Hard version is this print paper. Okay, this will be printed on paper. This is exactly the version of the paper. Okay, now I will use shift and minus sign with the plus button. Okay, there is a minus sign after the 0. On my laptop it is after the 0, right? So minus sign. This is QWERTY, right? QWERTY is QWERTY. Let's see what is QWERTY. Okay, QWERTY is QWERTY. There are keyboard standards. QWERTY. Sorry, QWERTY. QWERTY. So first line of alphabet on the keyboard is QWERTY, first line of the alphabets. You see, you start from, there are 3 rows, QAZ, and if you have first row, if you with the tab key, you can see if the buttons, the first row starts with QWERTY, this standard will be called QWERTY standard, right? There are different standards, and now I should complete this. Please process the payment as soon as possible. As soon as possible. Regards from Nix Sport T. Okay, or Nix T, right? And dot. So this is how we can use it. Okay, if I want to show the date on the right side, I will press the cursor is before the D, and I will press tab, again tab, again tab, tab. Okay, backspace. Now I should press backspace, right? This is the date. And if I want to see this on the right side, then 2. Okay, and then I should go here before G. I will press cursor here, and I will press tab. Then I will go here, Sadar Rawalpindi, and this is 2. Okay, there are different formats. You see, to, from, right? Subject. Okay, and subject should be like this. If I want to make it bold, I will select the line, and I will press bold, right? This bold. Okay, and then I should write shift minus sign. Shift minus sign. This is shift minus sign. Shift and minus sign, right? Now I should write total, right? I will open this, and I will write here calc. Calc means calculator. Okay, I will open it. Calculator. This is calculator, and I should write 15,000. 15,000 plus 25,000. 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 95,000. Okay, equal to, this is 155000. Okay, so I should write 155000. Okay, this is the total. Okay, if there is any discount, then I should discount discount, for example 5%, 5% discount 5%. Discount amount is, now I should open calculator and I should write multiply by 5 divided by 100. I should clear it all, okay. I should remove this. This cross. Okay, see, right, cancel. I should write 5 divided by 100 multiplied by 155,000. 5 divided by, okay, this is minus, not divide, divide is this, okay, sorry, 5 divided by 100 multiplied by 155,000, okay. Now this is 7,750, right? So I should write here 7,750, okay. Now again there is a blue line under, I should write, I should press space bar, then grand total. Grand total is, I should add this 7,000, okay, whatever, you can write it, okay. You will add this and this is the grand total, right? Now this is how you format the text, okay. We will see how images are shown. Okay, now I want to change the column names color to some, for example this name, then I should select this all, okay, these two, and I should use this, and this should be bold, so I should select again, okay, and I will press bold, B, right? Now this text should be bold, and this text should be underline, okay, this is underline. I will press U, you see. So there is some formatting now, okay. Now we have Dell computer should be italic, and again we have this line, okay, this line, if I want to remove this line, I should go here and I delete it, right? Okay, just press enter key. I can use the box format. How to use the box format? Box format is like this, and then I will go here and I will, okay, this is okay, I think this is better, right? And I should remove this underline, okay. I should remove this underline, remove, click underline, and this I should remove this. Now this is, I think this should be like this, okay. I place the cursor on the line, right side line, okay, right border line, okay. When this arrow appears, two arrows Okay, two arrows. You see two arrows. If I click here, there is only one arrow. This is two arrow. Okay, and with one black in the center. This is plus sign. You see plus sign, two arrows, and when these two arrows appear, you press button, press the mouse button, and then you drag. Okay, there is a problem. You can use it with the view, and if I see ruler, okay, we will see it how to use it, right? If I go here and I write, you see this, only this row. If I go here, okay, I can use it, but we will use it. We will use it when we see when we will write page layout. Okay, these columns, and we will see the how ruler works, and in the view also. The view is just to show the rulers and grid lines. Grid line means this is the grid line, right? Okay. Now I want to there is a problem with with this line, right? I press enter. I press Control Z again. Control Z, and now sorry, I should press this. I should press delete, right? Control Z, and now I should press delete, and I press enter and tab. You see tab, and then I will press for the grand total. I will press delete, and I press grand total. Now this is okay, right? This is grand total, right? So this is how you format. Okay, you learn by mistakes. Okay, what else we can do? We can do, for example, font size, font type. For example, this should be Algerian or Arial black. Arial black is good, right? And then I should go here and I press backspace, and I will use this time ident. Okay, ident, two idents and one ident. Okay, what else we can use? Timings or office timings. Sorry, backspace, colon, shift and colon. Then I press enter, and office timings are, I will use this, right? Bullet, and I will use 9 to 6, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday, and second time is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday. Okay, these are the timings. Office timings. Then we can use, what else? Okay, we have used 3 or 4 options. Then background color. Let's see what should be the background, right? Background of this all should be, let's change the background to this. Okay, right, this should be the background, and I should remove background from the title, right? From the titles I should go here and no color, right? No color. Then okay, we have used it. Basically we want to see how keys work. The purpose of this practice is to see how spacebar works, how different tabs work, how we can manage these spaces, how we can make text towards right alignment, left alignment. Okay, let's see one thing. For example, if I go here and I do not press this time, I do not press tab, I will use right. This is right. Okay, so with one click I can use it. Okay, and if I go here and I can use right with this also. Okay, and then if I want to see the subject, this is not proper format of any letter, but just we are practicing, right? Subject, and this time I will use center. This is center. Okay, this is left. Okay, now if I go here and make it right, you see this right. Okay, this is right. Okay, right aligned, centered aligned, and left aligned. Now I want to use this wording. Some, what should I write? Capitalize each word? Yes, capitalize each word. Okay, so capitalize each word. So order has been processed. Okay, so we have used many options. Now I should select all. And change the style. Select all. Okay, and change the style to this, or style to this, or style to this, or style to this. This is better, right? Now our document is this. Okay, style or formatting has gone, right, on the title. So this is the style. So this was the assignment. This was the practice, and now after this you will have an assignment. Okay, just like this, but you have to write text, write a report. Okay, for the home tab there is an assignment, and after the assignment we will have a quiz. Okay, there will be 5 questions, and you will have to the questions will not be easy, right? So you have to prepare, you have to see every option. Okay, and you have to see every shortcut key, Control plus X, Control plus C, this shortcut key, and icons, etc. What icon does what. Okay, so this was about the home. Okay, we will, in the next lecture we will do insert. Okay, insert all options with the practice and assignment. Okay.